9 nights dedicated to worshipping the divine feminine. Different parts of India bring in the festivities in different ways. Navratri is here. In Gujarat, for 9 days, Amba Ma is worshipped by performing the Garba form of dance. While in Bengal, Durga Ma is worshipped with joy and enthusiasm. And why not? Ma is Shakti, Ma is Lakshmi. Even the gods bow their heads in front of Ma. After all, they had to call upon the Ma to defeat Mahishasur. As soon as Hindus get up in anticipation of festivals, intellectuals across India wake up from their Kumkaran sleep to pontificate that even though the festival belongs to the Hindus, minorities have the first right on their celebrations. Garba, which was recently declared the intangible cultural heritage of Gujarat, is now performed not only in India but all over the world. People rightly say that wherever a Gujarati lives in the world, he creates a small Gujarat of his own, which is how the Garba has become a global celebration. Women dance their hearts out, and as do men. After all, Ma nurtures and loves all. However, over the years, there has been an increase of anti-social elements at Garba venues. There have been cases of harassment, especially since the celebrations run well into the night. In such a situation, the problem of law and order arises. If we talk about law and order, then the responsibility to ensure safety of women also lies with this society. To ensure this, if the Aadhaar card of those coming to attend Garba events is demanded at some places, then the so-called seculars throw a fit on social media. And if a board is put up in a Garba saying that entry of non-Hindus is prohibited, then some people cry Islamophobia. But here is a question. Why is it that the responsibility of proving pluralism lies only with the Hindus? Why is it difficult to understand that Garba is not just for sports and entertainment? What is the difficulty in accepting that in Hindu culture, dance is also a form of worship? The very essence of Navratri is invoking the Ma and worshipping her. Navratri is very much a Hindu religious festival. The dance is a form of worship of Ma. It is as religious as it could get. If your religion considers dance as haram, then why do you come to a place of worship to hurt our religious sentiments? After all, our worship is not haram. If your religion calls your mother's idol a false god and asks you to break it because you do not believe in idol worship, then what is the need for you to come to our religious festival? Why is it necessary for you to come to our festival venue to play with our religious beliefs? And if you really want to come to protect the so-called Ganga Jamuni culture, then apne kaagaz dikhaiye and first bow your head in front of the mother's idol. Seek her blessings and accept the prasad before entering the Garba venue. Because my Ma nurtures, protects and blesses those who believe in her.